Hello. In recent times, we have been hearing a lot about big data, and today we are going to know what this big data is about. As the name says, big data is about huge amount of data. In recent times, the usage of internet has gone so up. Everybody has smartphone, everybody is on the net always. So whatever you do on your phone, on your computer, whatever you do online is recorded somewhere. So all that data has to be put in some server. So because the usage of this internet has gone so up, the servers are not able to hold that data. And even if they are able to hold, when you try to query that information, they are really inefficient. That means they take a very long time to pull the data. So in that case, what the newer companies that are coming in and also the old companies are moving towards is the big data. So what they are doing is they are trying to put everything, all their data in the cloud so that they don't have to worry about the performance, the effectiveness of the query, or they don't have to worry about the storage, because when you put something in cloud, the companies that support the cloud, that provide that cloud space for you, are going to take care of everything like the data space, the efficiency of your queries. All that is taken care by the cloud companies. When I say cloud companies, I am talking about AWS, which is Amazon Web Service, and GCP, Google Cloud Platform. And in the coming videos, I am planning to talk more about big data on Google Cloud Platform. If you are someone who is interested to learn big data on GCP, on Google Cloud Platform, then these videos are for you. In the next video, I'll be talking about what this Google Cloud Platform is and how is it related to big data, and what is the relationship between BigQuery and big data. That's all for today. This is Bindu signing off.